Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look what is going on in the euro currency. So yesterday this also was tight trading range, so market mostly stands in the same consolidation that we have here on the daily. Maybe even we could draw it as some kind of the flag pattern or something that's sort of pennant. So whatever you could suggest here. So, but by the shape, this is a tight consolidation. That's as a rule becomes the continuation pattern. So today, guys, I have checked the news line, and actually today we could get only two important events. First, this will be European Central Bank meeting minutes released, so maybe some information will appear on the European session. The market Europe PMI will be released, and today is the starting day for Wyoming meeting in the Jackson Hole. This will be not official session, not official day, so officially this event will start only tomorrow, but today it starts some preparation. Well, at least the media starts to warm up the overall background and starts to bring releases on this subject. So I do not expect some news from the Wyoming today, but actual situation starts to develop, and maybe tomorrow, closer to the United States session, we could get some information. Well, currently on the technical side, we do not have something really new, but a few details we could discuss. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market could form the grabber. So this candle has not closed yet, so it's not closed yet, but if it will close where it stands right now, we will get the grabber, which suggests upward action above this top. So maybe we will not get some straight up forward action, but some kind of the A, B, C minor upward action could follow. But this will happen only if market will close above this red line on this candle. If it will not happen, then we will not get the grabber. That's actually the only issue that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart right now. Speaking on the hourly time frame, we again will turn to the dollar index. And on the dollar index, situation looks more interesting. So take a look what actually we have. As I said yesterday, the hand shoulders will be an excellent clarifying pattern that could explain everything. What we should consider and what we should to be ready for. And currently, as you can see, the price behavior here absolutely doesn't suggest the downward action, because take a look at really what has happened. So market has hit the level, starting downward action, then shows the sharp reversal with this strong reversal candle, turns back again to the 6.8 resistance, and now is challenging this area. So this price action absolutely doesn't match to the idea of the reverse head and shoulders pattern, so to the reverse reversal pattern, to the hand shoulders. So here we should see, in a normal situation, the control of the bears, and we should see downward acceleration, but not the upward. So, shortly speaking, this makes me think that this is definitely not the situation where we should think about taking the long position on euro currency, despite this possible grabber, if it will be formed, of course. As you can see, it's not the fact yet. So, and taking into consideration this price action that we see, it's more chances, at least from the technical point of view, that market will proceed higher rather than will show the reversal, which means that failure of the hand shoulders, which means the taking out of this top, and consequently on the euro currency it means the downward breakout here, and as we said, possible continuation to the COP. So that's what we see just from the one picture on the dollar index right here. As the only situation could turn in opposite direction only if market will collapse here right back down, but well, we can't exclude anything, but this price action that we see here tells about the opposite situation. So this is more the bullish sign that we have. So in the current situation, personally, I do not want to take the long position, short position on the dollar index. I do not want to take the long position on the euro currency. And currently, it is possible to consider even possible taking the long position, especially if market will start coming closer to this area. So since we do not have clear bullish patterns, except maybe the potential failure of these head and shoulders, we could return back to the topic and idea of them using stop entry orders. So as we talked about this recently, you could use these orders closer to the top of the head. Buy stop order on the euro currency. Correspondingly, you could use closer to these lows, sell stop order. So if market will collapse somehow, maybe some data will be released, who knows, maybe this will be European PMI. So in the market will show the collapse, you will be use the pen right at the breakout of these lows. So that's the things that we see right now. Since the situation stands tricky because we have the opposition control patterns. So here we have bullish grabber, which suggests here is upward action, but here we see this area, this price action doesn't support this idea. It's better to wait for a clarity or use the stop order right at the moment of the breakout when this clarity will come. So this is what we see right now on the euro.